A gentleman was walking into the forest. He felt very morose. He had decided to quit in life. He had decided to quit his job, his family, all his relationships. He was even contemplating, I must quit my life. He met a sage in the forest. The sage looked at this man and said, You look very morose and depressed. What's your problem? He said, I am extremely disenchanted with everything. I want to quit my life. The sage looked at him and said, Do you see that beautiful bamboo tree? He said, Yes. And do you see those grasses on the ground? He said, Yes. Actually, I planted this grass and the bamboo tree at the same time. In the first month, the grass started growing. The bamboo did not grow. I did not quit. The second month, the grass started growing bigger. The bamboo still had not started growing. I did not quit on the bamboo. The third month, the grass started really growing. The bamboo had not even started. I did not quit on the bamboo. The fourth month, the bamboo just started gradually manifesting itself from above the ground. I had hope. I did not quit. By the fifth month, the grasses were pretty tall, but the bamboo started growing and growing and growing, and they were 16 feet tall by the time they were in the sixth month. Therefore, we should know that the grass has its purpose and the bamboo has its purpose. Both have their nature. We cannot compare, but we should not quit on them. The man asked, Sir, how long should I wait and how long will it take for me to grow and achieve my potential? The sage said, Well, the bamboo had its waiting period, and how high the bamboo will grow to the maximum of its capacity. And therefore, have patience, have tolerance, that you may have various difficulties and challenges in life. Your waiting period may be more than the waiting period of someone else, because you may have your own time cycle of when you are going to accomplish what you are supposed to accomplish. But the main point is, everyone is not a grass, everyone is not a bamboo. We have to wait and do the needful with patience and tolerance. Tada tadahameshasya bhaktanam sham abhipsatam anugraha manyamana pratishtham dishamuttaram. When Narad Muni lost his mother at the age of 5, he contemplated the words of the sages and he said that although I am experiencing such a deep calamity, but I have faith. Bhaktanam sham abhipsatam. The Lord always desires the ultimate benefit of His devotees. And therefore, if this incident has happened, I must not quit. I will not quit. I will wait for the Lord to reciprocate with me, to reveal the purpose behind why this has happened. Let us live life with patience, with tolerance, with gratitude, with unlimited hope that the Lord has an ultimate plan for each one of us. Never say quit.